May the 26th, we have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds. We will perform a 1-minute plank, followed by 30 seconds rest, 1 minute of Turkish Get Up, followed by 30 seconds rest. We're gonna cycle through that format 5 separate times. Moving on for part B, we have a workout that is 10 rounds for time. We're going to perform 6 deadlift, 5 hang power clean, and 4 push jerk. This workout is designed for you to use the same weight or the same piece of equipment for each of those movements. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you did.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday, May 26th. Gonna take you through another warm-up. To start it off, we're gonna do 5 sets of 10 jumping jacks and 10 lunges, get that blood flow. From there, we're gonna do some mobility with a PVC pipe. We're gonna start with some leg kicks going front to back on both sides. Then we have some lateral leg kicks going left to right. From there, we're gonna go into a lat stretch. So getting that pipe in front of us and pushing our head through the shoulders, stretching our lats a little bit. Then we're going to do some pass-throughs, a little more shoulder warm-up, trying to get some overhead action. Then we're gonna do some external rotation with our shoulders, prep us for the front rack. And then we're gonna finish with some around the worlds. All right, moving on, we're gonna do 3 rounds of a series of movements. We're gonna start off with 6 single, double arch ups. Then we have 8 bent over rows, followed by 10 strict press for our first round. Second round through, we're gonna do 10 push press. And third round, we're gonna do 10 push jerk. Following that, we have 12 deadlifts, and last movement, 14 sprawls. All right, you guys, get after it.